Yeah, I've used eSpares a couple of times now. Repaired my cooker. It was the circular element by the fan that went. I think I've done it maybe 3 times now in the last 6 years. About £11 element. Took me 10 minutes to take the back off, replace it. Probably saved me about £60 in labour plus costs. So I'd reckon about £100 a time. Easy enough. I'll always try everything first. I've replaced the electric shower. Yeah, water and electrics don't really mix, but sure, I'll try everything once. And very recently I replaced the seal on my dishwasher because it was leaking. So I would say if you're a semi-competent DIYer and you can understand electrics, where the blue wire goes, where the brown wire goes, you'll be 100%, you'll have no issues. And yeah, the eSpares guys could not be better with deliveries. The prices are amazing. So yeah, I would highly recommend you do things yourself. Try it. And worst comes to worst, you get a contractor in to fix it for you. Good luck, everybody.